Yeah. So I'm going to, now we're going to deal with like a blunt object. So like sticks, baseball bats, I'll tell you like every certain person that I kind of have a baseball bat or everything just in their bedroom, in the bed, and all that stuff like that everywhere. We deal with a lot of that. Actually, I had a guy come down with a vacuum one time. He has like a handheld vacuum and like starts swinging at us. Like there's all kinds of, yeah, like literally that. Yeah, they came walking down, he's like, swinging at us like.
That's did he get tased?
Okay, no, he didn't. No, we did not do that. I just literally like grabbed the vacuum and just smashed him into the wall. And
as he was saying, you suck at the time.
yeah. Anyways, so it's common, right? This can take into like again like sticks, like weapons, bottles, same kind of thing, right? Not broken bottles as such weapons, but blunt force stuff, right? So, do you want to indulge me? Sure. I'm gonna deal with just because there's time restraints and the baseball bat swing requires like a pretty decent like smackdown on your partner, so I'm not gonna like address that on this one for time restraints. We're just gonna deal with like a single arm one. Anybody see that video online there? I think it was in New York or something. Like guys talking on the cell phone on his by the car, and you see in the distance the camera pans out, the guy comes out of the house and he's like yelling at him, has the baseball bat and like runs at the guy. And the guy does this even quickly and just like takes the guy down, smashes him into the car, boom, and then like game over. It is awesome. So again, like this is something where if I'm over here, like I'm not like addressing it, right? Make space, see you later, whatever. But I will see it, obviously, because it's a big thing, right? People come out to it. So as long as you're understanding that the most dangerous part of it is here. The most dangerous part of it is like if I allow him to swing and then boom, right? Like that's where all the pain is. When I get inside, it's less and less and less, right? Everybody understands that, same concept, all right? Our old way used to be a double arm stop, and that's what a lot of people teach, right? Double arm stop. This one, our Krav Maga method to it, that we teach in our mixed combative system is a little different. I like it a little bit more because it's a little bit nastier. So I'm going to do a single arm dive through when I see that window, right? So Frank's going to come for the swing and dive in here with one, but this is the second one that's following. Okay? So we'll do a controlled boom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap. So I'm going to come over top and I'm going to grab this, right? So that retraction piece that you're talking about here, and then I'm going to close on my lap here. Now you're going to see again, right? If I do this, you can turn his head, you can turn his hip. You don't want that, right? So I want hands to the ear again, right? So we're back to where we started. Now the beauty part that I have is again combatives, right? Boom, boom, snatch. Doesn't matter what it is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide back to the wrist. Pin that wrist, and I'm going to turn, there. And then I'm going to take, okay? Sometimes I won't even bother with tape. I'll just snatch until they let go. Depends what I want to do, okay? But I can salute up, take it. If you want to hit him in the knee before you run away, I didn't teach you that, but if you want to like smack him in the knee so he doesn't run away, run after you, go ahead. Cool. Pick and choose your time, didn't mean to hit him, whatever, like figure it out. Unless they see you on camera and you're like, back and forth, and the guy after you're probably screwed. Alright? So again, comes in, I'm here, boom, boom. Alright, so I'm sliding through. If this hits my ribs, yeah, it's not gonna feel great, but that's a whole lot better than my skull caved in. Right? Everybody can agree with that? So I wanna dive through that with like that right there is gonna probably drop it. Then I'm gonna step and create that angle, grab the arm for the retraction, pin down. Right, I won't do the thing again, but here, and I can just start having fun. Right? Push the head down. Okay. If he wiggles out, right, for some reason in the arm, now I'm back to this. I can do all the same things that I did before. Right? I'm not worried about that. So there's a transition there. Okay, so super simple, dive in, boom. I want to grab the back, head position, combatives, and then if I'm going to do the take, I call it a salute. I'm taking like a excluding the forehead here that brings it out. I grab, and I step away. Hit your moment. That's what you want to do. Okay? Cool? Alright,
Cool.
let's do it. Grab, there should be enough Baton in there.